Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping a shovel and clearing immediate obstacles. This saves stamina later. Walk your island perimeter and mark tiny rock clusters, since each rock gives one dash for resource hits. Once done, hit each rock with your shovel or axe once to identify iron-bearing nodes without wasting full stamina. Make sure to leave a little distance between swings. If you're short on stamina, eat fruit or weeds to regain enough to perform the quick test, and proceed to focused mining. Now you switch to a systematic mining rhythm. Hit each rock up to 5 times, then step back to reset your position. This prevents knockback and maximizes drop potential. Make sure to harvest rocks across the island, focusing on clusters near cliffs and shores because iron frequently appears there. If you run low on stamina, pause and eat, then return to continue the rotation. By rotating rocks, you reduce time wasting and increase the total iron per visit, while also noting which nodes are likely to respawn later. Finish by sweeping each rock area and picking up iron nuggets, then store or sell as needed. Iron stacks are key for tools and furniture. If you find no iron at all, try reloading your island session or sleeping to trigger respawn changes. Make sure to invite other players or visit theirs. Multiplayer often increases the variety and quantity of rock drops. Finally, if a rock seems bugged, leave the island and return after a short wait to force a fresh spawn. Then resume the targeted mining rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.